Hey guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys some new makeup that I got, some new clothes, and talk about upcoming Black Friday deals that I'm either gonna splurge on or try to avoid, or just that I think you guys would be interested deals that I think you guys would be interested in. So we're gonna start out with a little unboxing, then a little try on, then we'll talk about the deals. I'll put timestamps down below in case you want to check those out. Let's fucking do it. Alright guys, so now for the clothing part of the haul. Sorry my background sucks. This is just my house. It's not as cute as my little filming setup over there, but I wanted to show you some cute clothes that I got from Rosegal. They are a very affordable online retailer. Everything from them comes directly from China. No fancy packaging, nothing special, but a lot of the stuff is really affordable, so I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so this shirt is called A New Fishing Net with a Solid Color Strip. And I have the size medium, which is like a nice loose baggy, kind of like, just, it's freaking adorable. This was $22.92. It looks exactly like it does on the picture. I'm very happy with it. Oh yeah, and I cut my own thumb holes in it. I cut thumb holes in a lot of my own clothing, so it doesn't come with the thumb holes, but you can easily DIY that. Are you here to get cat hair all over my clothing? Oh, cutie. Say hi to Muffin, everyone. Okay, next up, you guys. I'm so sad because I freaking love it, and it says it's out of stock. It's this adorable little sweater with this like lace-up arm detail. Are you kidding me? Like, you guys, I'm obsessed with off-the-shoulder stuff right now. You probably know this, but this is so freaking cute. Maybe they'll restock it, so keep an eye out for it. It is so cute. All right guys, so here is the next item. It is called the Crisscross Cutout Long Sleeve Top. I have the size small. Definitely size up if you want a roomier fit, but the sleeves are stretchy, and then it has like a little stretchy kind of thing on the bottom, so it's not just flapping around all over the place. Absolutely love the lace up front. These were tied together upon arrival, and I just cut them. Sorry, I'm like talking and you can't even see my face. Really, really, really love this top. Oh my god, so cute. $13.93 right now, 43% off. That's freaking great. Next item is this absolutely freaking adorable little hoodie. Oh my gosh, look at the little detailing with the grommets, and it came with this little baggie of little O-rings that you can add on to it. And then wait for it, you guys. Ta-da! How freaking cute is that? These are kind of hitting me in the face a little bit, but like, oh, like, really? And does it look exactly like the picture on the website? No, it does not. So this makes me think that it's probably like a recreation and not the actual product. The one that the model's wearing on the website has a much bigger O zipper thingy, and then the hood is like a lot more oversized. It's also a lot longer on her. It goes like all the way down to her thighs. It's a very lightweight sweater. The zipper is really cheapy, but I think it's cute for like a little lightweight sweater. Last but definitely not least, this is the best for last actually, I think. This is the Cutout full sleeve flare hooded dress. I have size medium, and it is 47% off for Black Friday, so $22.97. Can we just take a minute? I'm obsessed. It literally took me, I think I freaking pulled a muscle when I was trying to put this dress on, you guys. Oh my god, you gotta pull it over the top of your head and then make sure that this is in the front. I was so confused for a little bit. It's really cute. The fit is little, I wish it was like stretchy material, because right here, the arm things can kind of, like, I can't lift my hands higher than this. Woo, raise the roof. Nice long sleeves. Pretty good length, like this isn't too short at all. I am obsessed with this. This might be my absolute new favorite thing of all time. There was one more dress that I was supposed to get that hasn't arrived yet, but it's gonna be epic when it does, and I'll definitely, you know, wear in a video, post about it, tell you guys about it. But other than that, yeah, really like all of the things that I got, actually. I never tried Rosegal before, but they're very affordable and they're doing some amazing Black Friday deals. So check out the links in the description below. And yeah, let's get on to the other Black Friday deals. Okay, so first let's do a little unbox-a-roo. I have this box from Profusion. Angle you guys down a little bit. Ooh, I see glitter, sequins, sparkles, confetti. That's what this stuff is. So this is their holiday collection. Let's open it up and see. Oh, this is really cute, but it's making a mess. The Wanderlust palette. Look at that. This is only $9.99. Available at Target or on Profusion.com. Great packaging. Oh my god. So we've got this 6-shade highlight and contour palette for $5. Ooh. I've gotten their lips to go kits in the past. Usually they come with a liquid lipstick, a lip liner, and then a glittery gloss. And I'm usually not a fan of their liquid lipstick. The lip liners and the glosses are good. It looks like they changed it up. This one comes with a matte lipstick, a lip liner, and then something they call a lip strobe, which is that. Glossy lip strobe for a high shine effect. Okay, so it's shiny. That's awesome. I'm actually gonna need to try this and see if I like the lipstick formula. What else do we got? I am like working up a sweat right now unpackaging this stuff. Bare Eyes eyeshadow makeup case. So this is $7. That is like, that's really f***ing adorable. This is a beautiful, basic, everyday, like easy wearable. Anybody could use this palette. Last but hopefully not least, Mixed Metals face and eye palette. That's pretty. This thing comes in a few different color options. I have the pink sparkle, and this is $9.99. Comes with blush, highlighter, eyeshadows, highlighting brush, and then a glitter liner. Gorge. Also from Profusion. This is kind of old. It's the chocolate eyeshadow palette. I mean, it's not old, but I got it a while ago and I just haven't had the chance to use it. The Pro Pigment palette, which I've used, and the Sienna's palette, which you guys have seen all of these you've seen these on my channel before. I'm a huge fan of these palettes. I think they're gorgeous. The Sienna's, like, these are $10, and I'm pretty sure they just restocked them on the Profusion website. And I'm not sure exactly what type of Black Friday deal they're doing. Let me see. So they're gonna do 30% off with the code THANKS35. And that is off of everything, including the 2018 holiday collection and past fan favorites. That's awesome. More PR. I got the entire collection of Atomic Makeup's Double Dare Lip Duos. These are really cool. This is like the one color that I probably wouldn't wear, but there's a bunch of different colors. I'm gonna do a dedicated swatch video to it, I think, but it's a little like lipstick. It's a little lip gloss lip thingy. It comes with 2 shades in one. Okay, how cute is that? And these are your little doe foot applicators. You've got a matte metallic liquid lipstick and then like a shiny beautiful gloss. There's a bunch of different shades. These are originally $18, but let's see, Atomic Makeup is definitely doing a Black Friday sale. The Double Dare Lip Duos are only going to be $10 each, down from $18. Wow. All of their liquid lipsticks and lip glosses are going to be 40% off. They have the Brick City lip gloss set back in stock, you guys. Remember I was like complaining that they discontinued that set? It's going to be $35. And then they're bringing back the black liquid lipstick. Oh my god. X-Ray is 40% off. What the fuck? And then a big fucking news. They're coming out with some highlighters and the pre-sale starts on Black Friday. Unfortunately, yeah, you're not going to be able to use my affiliate code on top of these discounts at Atomic, but you're going to be saving a lot, so that's fine. Any other time though, definitely use my code. So lucky for anybody who was thinking about snagging the Kat Von D holiday collection, but kind of unlucky for me. It's on sale. Wow. It's like literally, it's half off, you guys. The face palette went down from $43 to $21.50, which is like a reasonable price for that. And the eyeshadow palette went down from $63 to $31.50. I wonder if I can rain check that shit. It's half off. Anyway, that's at Sephora. Okay, Sephora. Another thing. Sephora has the Naked Smoky by Urban Decay for $25, which is cool. I actually thought that this palette was discontinued forever and never coming back. I have a makeup tutorial that I filmed with it, and I never ended up posting it because I was like, I'm just gonna be like using this palette that no one else can get. But maybe I'll post it. You guys, if you're interested, $25, I think that's like half off. It's normally like $50. Oh, duh, KADABRA is gonna have a Black Friday sale. It's 30% off. Go crazy, you guys, and just know that you're supporting me and that I love you. Sigma is doing 30% off everything in their store, plus free shipping. Worldwide free shipping. Wow, that's awesome. So they do brushes, makeup, brush cleaning stuff. I have, this brush is really nice, the Spotlight Diffuser. It's a really like perfect for just brushing away or like patting powder in under your eyes. You could easily multitask with this brush and use it for blush, highlight, you know, I mean, it's big, but like get crazy with it. My other favorite brush by them is E36 Blending. Look at this brush. Like when I first saw it, I'm like, what the hell am I gonna use this for? This is an amazing little tiny blending brush. Like it just, you can really get in there and not worry about over blending other stuff that you don't want blended. They have a flat kabuki brush called the F80, which is like one of their most popular brushes. It's a great foundation brush, just buff in your foundation. I personally always like to finish off with a beauty blender, but start out with a brush because it makes it really quick to just like, boom, slather the foundation all over your face. And then they have brush cleaning stuff. This is the Sigma Scrub-Matic Solid Brush Cleanser. I don't clean my brushes that often, you guys. You know, like, I mean, I don't know if you know this, but I know this. But this thing is really freaking cool. Shit, I just suction cupped it to my table. So it suctions on the bottom. It's like a soap. And it really helps clean your brushes. You just swirl this around in there a few times, and the little nubs in there really grip the sides of your makeup brushes. All that gunk right there, you need something to help like really scrub, and that's why this is freaking bomb. They also have makeup. I haven't tried a ton of their makeup. I have a blush that I really like of theirs, and then they have some really cute eyeshadow palettes on the site. So, oh, Blackcraft always has like a 40% off sale. Their clothes are great. Really cute, comfy, evil looking shirts, great gifts for your boyfriend or brother, you know, or yourself, girlfriend, whatever. I know that Anastasia is having some amazing Black Friday deals. Really gonna try not to buy any of that shit. Oh, Melt Cosmetics just, I think their pre-sale for the Smoke Sessions collection is on Black Friday. Oh, that collection looks so cute and I want it, but I don't need it. Comment below if you want me to review it. Just kidding, don't comment. Kind of wish I could get a second TV for my bedroom so I can just lie in bed and watch TV and never get up. But that wouldn't be good, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. But I saw that Walmart has TVs, like the same TV that I got a few years ago for $1,000 is like $400 now. Like 4K, 50-inch or something, like. So if you need a TV, Walmart. I think I'm gonna get a PS4. So random. Gare and I really want to start playing Black Ops, I think it is. Is that the name of it? Fuck, I sound like a total ditz. The PlayStation website is doing a Black Friday sale. You can get a PS4 and a controller and like the Spider-Man game for like $200, which is like $80 off. So that's probably what I'm gonna be splurging on. Anyway, that's it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you're gonna splurge on for Black Friday, what you already splurged, any amazing deals that I need to look up. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody who's celebrating. Happy holidays, happy shopping, happy whatever the f***. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.